Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA PC Audio Labs again. Today we're going to keep working on our video tutorials on Cubase. So today we're going to learn how to save an existing Cubase project that you're currently working on. Okay, so let's say that you are working on a project. Okay, right now I have a project here. I only have 4 guitar tracks. Okay, guitar 01, 02, 03, and 04. Let's say that I want to save it. I did my thing, I worked on it, I recorded it, maybe I mixed a little bit, and I want to save it because I have to stop. Just as simple as that. I need to keep working tomorrow. How do I save it? Right now it's labeled as on title 1. I just created it, right? So if I go File, Save As, it's going to prompt me, okay, where do you want to save it? Where do you want to save your Cubase project file? Once again, I'll select my drive, in this case the audio drive, and I'm going to create it, I'm going to label it my guitar project. Okay. You type the name, you press save. As soon as you do that, check the name. It changed to my guitar project. Now let's say that this project, I create a couple more tracks. Okay. Let me call them drums. Okay. Okay. Now I have drums 01 and 02. I want to overwrite what I have. So the changes that I just did, I want them to be saved on quote unquote my guitar project. At that point, you just need to go File, Save. You can also do Control S on PC or Command S on a Mac. So now it is saved. And just to make sure that it's safe, if you go back to File, okay, you can always close it. Okay, it's closed, totally gone. And then if I go File, Open again, there it is, my guitar project. I can double click it and it is open exactly as I left it with my 4 guitars and my 2 drums. So that's how you save a project in Cubase. This is very important, okay? You should always have the habit or develop the habit of saving, because you don't want to lose your progress, okay? Especially if you're working with clients. As a matter of fact, if you can save in multiple drives and have backups of your projects, way better, okay? So that's how you save your project in Cubase. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA and PC Audio Labs, and we will be happy to help you. We will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Want to learn how to produce music using this, or using that, or using all of these? Have you been watching videos, reading manuals, blogs, and trying to figure out everything that it takes to be a music producer? Do you have a bunch of music gear that you purchased and you still haven't made any music? Well, then you need OBEDIA, the world's only one-on-one digital audio training and tech support service. Check out the link below for a special new subscriber offer.